Everybody. My name is Kayla. I am the project manager here at Latino Tax Pro, and today I'm coming to you from the a little bit sunnier conference room. Today I wanted to come on and talk a little bit about Latino Tax Pro's Instructor Program. With our Instructor Program, you get to teach quality bilingual tax training your way. And part of the Instructor Program, with your purchase, you get your Instructor online portal. And there's a whole online section where your students need to log in and complete their coursework. So as the instructor, you're able to see those students within your dashboard, see their progress throughout the course, and access data and other things that way. So the most important thing is making sure students get added to your dashboard. So today I wanted to come on here and explain a little bit about how students get added to that dashboard and online roster on Prendo 365. So it's very simple. It's all in the just two-step registration process on Prendo365.com. Students will need to create a free account. That's how they're going to access their learning materials and complete their review questions, quizzes, and finals. So I would like to just demonstrate that. I'm going to share my screen here. Let's see how quickly I can do this. Wrong button, there we go. All right, so you guys should be able to see my screen. This is Prendo365.com. This is our learning management system where students will log in to complete their coursework, as I mentioned a moment ago. And this is also where you as instructors log in to access that dashboard and see all the data and information on your students. So let's get into it, the two-step registration process. All a student needs to do is navigate to Prendo365.com, and in this upper right-hand corner, we have the register button that they'll click. And on these registration forms, the required fields are marked with a little red asterisk. You can't move forward until you satisfy that field. So your student will simply enter their email address, and then we ask for some basic contact information like their first and last name. There is a language preference. You can select your language, and here is where your student selects you as the instructor. This is how the student gets added to your online dashboard. This field right here, do you have an instructor? When you purchased the Instructor Program, your name got added to this list. This is our list of instructors from across the nation. So your student will fill this form out and simply scroll down the list to find your name. Once they select the instructor, they'll have to accept the terms of our privacy policy, and then we can get to the second and final step of registration. Again, there are 3 required fields on this second part, and you know that by the little red asterisk that you see here. Here is a space for you to enter your PTIN. If the student does not have a PTIN, all they have to do is enter N/A for not applicable. They're able to enter in their company info, but it's not mandatory. We do request their mobile number so that if there's any discrepancies or any issues uploading their hours or anything like that, we can contact them and resolve that issue right away. And then we also ask for your zip code so we know which area of the country you're in, so we can advocate for those parts of the country. And also if your students in California, if they have their CTEC license already or their CTEC number, they can enter it here as well. But again, the mandatory fields are PTIN, mobile number, and zip code. And with that, everything's filled out. All they need to do is click register. we get this thank you here. Your information has been sent successfully. And then in order to complete the registration, the student needs to click a confirmation link in an email that was just sent to the email they provided. So when your student registers and selects you from the drop-down menu, that is how a student gets added to your dashboard on Prendo365.com. And once they're on your dashboard, you can see, data is kind of a vague word, but you can see their course progress. You can see how they're progressing along in the course, how they're doing with their review questions or quizzes or anything like that. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys learned a little bit about Prendo365.com and how your student gets added to your dashboard. Oh, and I need to say, if for any reason a student makes a mistake or forgets to select you as the instructor and doesn't get added to your dashboard, that means you can't see their progress, you can't see them on your end. So just give us a call or text us or email us, contact us, and we can easily resolve that issue. We can make sure that student gets in your dashboard. So once again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.